I am Ravi Shankar Pathak. First of all, welcome to all in this class. I taught you the flower, reproductive part of plant. Flower is a beautiful creature of nature. In science, reproductive part of plant, flower has 4 parts. First part sepal, second petal, third stamen, fourth carpel. 2 part sepal and petal are vegetative part. And 2 part stamen and carpel are reproductive part. Reproductive part. Sepal is outermost whorl of flower. First part of flower, it is green. About number of sepal 5. Function of sepal. Function of sepal protect flower in bud state. And second part petal. Petal is second part or second whorl. Function of petal. Petal attract insect and help in pollination of flower. Now third part, stamen. Stamen is male part of flower. It produce male gamete. Stamen, function of stamen to produce male gamete. Part of stamen. Part of stamen two part of stamen. Filament, anther. Filament and anther. Filament produce pollen grains. Pollen grains is male part of male gamete of plant. Third part of fourth part. Carpel. Carpel is the female part. Stamen is male part and carpel is female part. Carpel. Carpel has 3 parts. Ovary, style and stigma. Ovary, style, स्टिग्मा. ये फोर्थ पार्ट, ये मेल पार्ट, फीमेल पार्ट है 3 पार्ट्स. ओवरी, स्टाइल, स्टिग्मा. ओवरी प्रोड्यूस ओव्यूल. ओव्यूल इज फीमेल gamete. Style connect stigma to ovary and stigma receive pollen grains and help in fertilization. So now we know there are 4 parts of flower. When one part is absent, then flower is incomplete. When four parts are present, that is complete flower. So we say that flower are of two types, complete, incomplete. On the basis of reproductive part, when carpel is absent and stamen is present, then flower is male. And when stamen is absent, carpel is present, then flower is female. So we say that flower are of two types, male flower, female flower. Now when only carpel is present and stamen is absent, then we say that flower is unisexual. Means two reproductive part. When one part is absent and one part is present, we say flower is unisexual flower. Uni means one. When one reproductive part, when one sexual part is present, we say that flower is unisexual. Example of unisexual flower example: papaya, cucumber, etc. Now we know the function of fourth part, carpel. Carpel receive pollen grains from stigma. When pollen grains reach stigma, pollen grains swell with liquid part, viscous liquid. We say that liquid part or viscous part, that is nectar. Due to nectar, pollen grains swell and germinate. When pollen grains germinate, pollen tube forms. Pollen tube reach in ovary. Pollen tube reach in ovary. Then we say flower is then we say ovule in ovary is fertile. That is fertilization, means fusion of male gamete and female gamete. Anther produce male gamete. Male gamete transfer from one flower to another flower. This is called pollination. Pollination. When pollination occurs, one pollen grains transfer to other stigma of same plant. In this process, insect help to transfer of pollen grains from one flower to another. So when pollen grains from anther transfer to stigma, this is called pollination. Pollination means a factor of pollination. Wind pollination, by wind, water pollination, by water, and transfer of pollen grains by water, vector, transfer of pollen grains by animal, insect, etc. A type of fertilization, type of pollination. First of all, we know type of pollination. So self pollination and cross pollination. Self pollination, when pollen grains of same flower or same plant transfer to a stamen to a stigma. That is self pollination. When pollen grains transfer from one plant to another plant, that is cross pollination. Self pollination, cross pollination. Example of self pollination: maize plant, male flower in maize plant, in top of plant, and female flower less than male flower. Here, male flower top of plant, when anther ripen, pollen grains fall down female flower by wind. This is self pollination. When insect transfer the pollen grains from one plant to another plant, this is cross pollination. As example, mustard plant, bees help in pollination. So we start from flower in the reproductive part, type of flower, complete, incomplete. One object, pedicel. When pedicel means when a stake means pedicel attached with flower, that is pedicellate flower. When pedicel absent, that is impedicellate flower. Complete, incomplete, two type of flower. Complete, when four buds present, that is complete. When one part absent, that is incomplete. Unisexual, bisexual. When two reproductive part present, bisexual. When one reproductive part, stamen or carpel, absent, that is unisexual. Now, first part, sepal, we know. Vegetative part, a type of sepal. When sepal attached together and form tube-like structure, that is gamosepalous. When sepals are separate As example, when sepals are separate, that is polysepalous. Polysepalous. Two type of sepal: gamosepalous, polysepalous. Gamosepalous means attached together and form tube-like structure. Gamosepalous, when separate, sepals are separate, that is polysepalous. Petal. Two type of petal. When all petals are attached together and form tube-like structure, we say petal is gamopetalous. When petals are separate, we say polypetalous. Polypetalous. Polypetalous and gamopetalous. Polypetalous, separate petal. Gamopetalous, unite sepal. Stamen and carpel. When carpel, number of carpel is 5 to 1, pentacarpals, any carpels, stigma, number of stigma 2, 3, 4, 5. Two type of parts: vegetative, reproductive. So now one questions. Write the male part of flower. Male parts of flower. Female parts of flower. Vegetative parts of flower. Fourth, thalamus. Thalamus. What is thalamus? Where 4 parts attach, that swollen part is called thalamus. Where 4 parts attach, that swollen part is called thalamus. Swollen part. Thalamus. Formation of fruit. Some cases, as apples, thalamus grow and develop in fruit. Generally, ovary developed and form fruit. Ovule ovule of ovary become seeds. So one question, seed. Seed. What is seed? Seed, reproductive unit, seed, reproductive, fertile eggs, etc. Fruit.
फ्रूट कीजिए सर फ्रूट आप कीजिए
Now we stop this topic. Next day we taught next topic. Thanks.